What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today I'm so excited because we're doing another room tour. But I'm excited about this room tour for two different reasons. I don't know if you could tell by the view behind me, but one, we are inside of Cosmopolitan Casino, and if y'all know me, you guys know that this is my favorite casino here on the Strip. And two, this is what a Terrence one-bedroom suite looks like. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so when walking into it, you're greeted by this awkward little entryway, but then to the right, you have your nice living room. Check out that sofa. I could fit on this side and on that side. That's a nice looking sofa. And the one thing about Cosmopolitan, you're always gonna have your modern artwork. But look at this nice little setup. They even have a TV. I kind of like the whole living room setup here. I think out of all of the casinos I've ever been to, this is probably my favorite living room setup. But what do you guys think? And then also behind the sofa, we have your desk area. So that's a nice little, I actually like that chair. It's very comfortable. Some casinos have their chair being super uncomfortable, but that one's actually really nice and I like that. And then behind us, we have our mini bar area. Now, I like the modern art. I like the little picture frames and things like that. It's a nice touch. You also have your two glasses with your ice bucket. And then over here on the left side, we have the weighted tray. So for those who are unfamiliar, this is a weighted tray, meaning everything that you take off of this, they will charge you for when you go to check out of your room. So if you don't want to be charged up the yin yang for a couple of snacks that you could get much cheaper at a CVS or an ABC store across the street, then I would suggest you not touch this. However, you can touch this. This is a wine bottle opener. They won't charge you for using that. But because that is a weighted tray, I'm gonna assume that this is also a triggered mini fridge, and I was correct. So as you can see, the freezer section is empty. However, they have a mini bar, and same thing with the tray. For the mini bar, everything that you touch or move, they will charge you for. But they do have an array of alcoholic beverages. I see a Powerade, Tito's, water. So they kind of have you covered on just about everything. They have Coke products in this mini fridge, which is nice because the Strip is predominantly Pepsi products, which I personally cannot stand. They even have different types of water, so again, I can appreciate that. The freezer is empty, but I don't think I would suggest putting anything in there just in case they do end up charging you for said things. So that was the mini fridge. However, a little hack I like to talk about is you can ask for a medical refrigerator to keep your meds in, and then you have a mini fridge for the rest of your trip. Now next door on the right, we have two empty shelves, which is nice. You can put your things there. And then, oh, it opens up this way, okay. And then, oh, wow. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? No need to ask for another refrigerator because this is an empty refrigerator that you can use and they won't charge you. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I actually love the Cosmopolitan so much because they do think about the little details. Because typically at a casino or a hotel, wherever you stay at, they either have a mini fridge refrigerator or an empty refrigerator. Very rarely do they have both. So the fact that they have one that you can use and one that they'll charge you for is freaking immaculate. So disregard the medical refrigerator use. I love that. That is amazing. All right, let's see what else this room has in store for us. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a full-length mirror, and if you know me, you know I love a good full-length mirror moment. So let's take this in. Okay, also, you have this little bench area, which I really love because I'm gonna assume these doors on the right here are the wardrobe area. So I love that you'll be able to sit and get dressed. Let's open up the handle. Oh, yep, two robes, some hangers, a nice empty shelf. Oh, would you look at that? The light came on. That's so cool. You would think after all of the room tours I've ever done, I would have a name for this, but I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what this is called still to this day. But I do like the automatic lights. There's an outlet on the top right, if you could see that up there. So this is giving a his and her closet, but let's see the other side. just before I make assumptions. Okay, so on this side you have the ironing board, some shelves, your safe. I like the shelves because if anything, you can put your shoes on the shelves. Check out the safe. See how they leave it open and empty. So yeah, I like this. This is a nice look. I think out of all of the casinos I've ever done a room tour for, that's probably the nicest closet I've ever seen. Behind us is the bathroom, but before we get there, this is the door to the bathroom. It's a sliding door, but look, on the door is a full-length mirror. How freaking neat is that? So again, we're gonna have a full-length mirror moment. Hey! Okay, so now we walk into the bathroom and you have 2 sinks here. I love these lights on the mirror and I love how it's per sink. That way everybody gets their little moment and has the good lighting. And then on the right, you have your magnifying mirror that also lights up. And then this is your walk-in shower. And then as you could see, how do I open this? Okay, this way. I was gonna say, as you could see, the bathtub is straight ahead. But on the left side, you have the shower head. We're gonna walk in here. So they give you shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You have your towels in the towel rack. Here's where I would suggest putting all of your personal stuff that you shower with, just because they don't provide everything. And then here is the tub, which in my opinion, small. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this is a small tub. However, you do have a view of the strip. So we're looking at Aria, MGM, New York, New York. So that is a nice view, but again, small bathtub. But that is just me talking. I don't know, what do you guys think? And then also, this is kind of dangerous because look how big that step is. So that's a big step. Please watch your step when entering and exiting the bathtub. So we're gonna leave the shower and we're gonna check out the toilet area here in front of us. Sorry, oh, okay. This door doesn't really close. Okay, I see. All right, so now we're gonna open up the door and check out the bathroom. Oh wow, that's so cool. Do you guys see that silhouette of a woman? Oh my gosh, this is why I love the Cosmopolitan. Look how neat that is. I just love art in general, so that's super cool. But yeah, here's the toilet. There's no art hanging up or anything like that. But this, I think out of all of the art in the room so far, this one's my favorite. This looks so beautiful. What do you guys think? I like this one the best though. I think it's a weird placement for the bathroom since you're trying to go to the bathroom, but I do really like that vibe. And then we have the bedroom. This also has a sliding door here. So it has a sliding door that comes out as 2. Oh, we're gonna push that back in and check out the bedroom. Okay, so when you walk into the bedroom, you have the bed. Don't mind the butt print, I was sitting there earlier. This is where the shower was, so I like the silhouettes on it, but I still prefer the one in the bathroom. I thought that one was nice. You have a TV with a little shelf in front of it. And then here is the bathtub. And this is open. So, I mean, I wouldn't suggest entering the bathtub from right here, but just know that this is open and then that is open because that's the shower that we just walked into not too long ago. So this is a 180 of the bedroom so far. It's pretty nice. I like how mellow it is, but it's still modern because the last time I stayed in Cosmopolitan, the artwork was screaming at us. I was like, wow, this is intense. But the moment we've all been waiting for, this room has a balcony and you can access the balcony. So let's walk into this balcony. You have to be aware that the lock is up here. So you have to unlock it from here and then the handle is down here and it'll automatically start closing and opening depending on how you push see how I'm not even pushing it? And it's also going with the track. So we walk up to the balcony And you have a mini sofa right here with a table on the left side of it. And then on the right side, you have a chair, also with a table. Now, because this is an open balcony, you have a railing about halfway through. So it's not like a full or very wide balcony, all things considered. But let me stop yapping and let's check out this view. Oh my goodness. So we're looking at the Aria, Waldorf Astoria, MGM Grand, the Polo Towers, Planet Hollywood. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is great. You could even see New York, Park MGM. Like, oh my goodness. This is a nice view. What do y'all think? You guys, we even have a view of the Boulevard pool. Check that out. It's closed right now, obviously. It was open earlier today, but look at that. You even have a view of the pool, so if you really wanted to, you could people watch. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed here and what your guys' experience was like, because this is my first time staying in a room like this, and it was immaculate. I never want to leave. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!